What up, guys? I thought I'd show you what's going on in the shop today. So I got semi-disappointing news. We had a LUCID AIR in the shop today, and the customer was in a super hurry, so we got his job done and got him out the door. It was actually a lady, and we're gonna show you some pictures and videos of it right now that we took while we were working on it. We did, paint protection on the front bumper. We did a full window tint in a ceramic film. So we got everything done for the customer in a super fast time, especially for us, because we're slow. But we like to enjoy the process, and it looks really good. It's a cool car. It was like if a super luxurious car had a baby with a Tesla. It was like just super nice. I really wanted to show it to you, but customer comes first, video second. So unfortunately, these pictures will have to do till we get the next one in. So before long, you'll see some other ones. And we were just thankful to be trusted with it and got the work done. Now that we've got that done, we're gonna start on this C8. We've got a full front clip of paint protection to do. We did a full tint on it. We're gonna do the rockers. This part is like painted on C8s underneath. I don't know why you'd like paint underneath the car, but the kit wraps all this and up to here. So that's like what we call a high impact area. So these rocks that come through, they won't like damage the paint. This area, obviously, you can just tell that it's like begging rocks to fly up in there, Like it's like, please come in here. We're like, no, don't. So we're gonna put some film on there. And we're gonna get them all protected so we can go hot rod it around. And let's see, we got Nick working on this, what is it, the Yukon, Denali, we don't know, an AT4 maybe. I think it's just a regular Yukon that we're tricking out. And we're doing like a half wrap, a chrome delete. That's where we start doing the chop shop stuff, where we like take the grill out and we like take the door handles off, all this stuff that makes the install good. We do a lot of disassembly. He's got the whole thing mostly wrapped. This part was what we added, the black, and we've got the door handles. That's why it doesn't have door handles right now. And we added this part in here. And if you kind of jump up there, you can see the top, what he's got going on up there. See how smooth it is, like glass. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? So we're just making it cool. We're just trying to make it hot for the guy. He's super hyped. So we're getting that together. We've got a little bit more work done on it. We should have some done stuff for you tomorrow on it. Trying to crank them out. We got a lot going on. We got an old car now in the tint shop. Chevelle 454, is that what it is? Yeah, so it's a cool old hot rod. We're getting some tint on today. Oh, we think we have another little car. We actually have a Challenger, a full wrap coming in. So that should be exciting. We got a bunch of fun stuff happening. So it should be pretty exciting. Hopefully we'll keep it jammed and packed, and we'll have a lot of fun, and we'll do a lot of installations and get you ready for summertime. Sweet summertime's coming. So just pay attention, because it's gonna be super cool. I'm excited. So we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.